Hey, how you doing? This is Tom again. I left out a couple of things from the previous show about weather balloons. There's also a hobby where amateur radio operators typically um, launch balloons too and track them and recover them and all that. And here is the other website. It's amateur.sonder, solder, S-O-D-E, there's no R, Hub.org. This one. And it shows you um, balloons that are launched by amateur radios operators, and the track and everything just like the other one. And if I zoom out here, you can see this is very active over in Europe. There's a whole bunch of them. These are already all down because it's almost 2 o'clock in the afternoon. And you can build a little receiver or set up a little receiver so you can collect the data that's coming from these. Typically, there's none launched from my area. Sometimes right in here, and they go across this way, kind of out of range for my receiver. But it's another possibility depending on where you live. One other thing I wanted to point out, especially for Jeff, is if you go looking for these, as it's coming down, there's a parachute. And you can actually, with like a pair of binoculars or even without the binoculars, see it come down. So you can use this website, and you can get to this website on your cell phone so that you're portable. And not this one, the other one, for instance. They go back to here. This one, for instance, either one. So you can track these guys, and as they're coming down, see this one, let me see if this has been updated. I'll do an update here. It should be down by now. Okay, nope, there it is. It's still coming down. So you can track this one, and like I say, you can put this website on your cell phone, and you can see the altitude right here is still 12,000 meters or 33 miles up in the air. And like I say, it's predicted right now to come down here. So you could be on that road I showed you, this road here or this road, and with a pair of binoculars, don't even need a radio, visually track them and see where it comes down. Because like I say, it's coming down on a small parachute. So I just wanted to give you that additional information and hint to Jeff and anybody else that's in one of these track zones. If you could find me one, you don't have to necessarily send it to me. You can just, tell me where you found it and maybe a picture of it. That would be fantastic so I could show everybody. Anyway, have a great day. Bye-bye.